welcome back to another vlog. If you are new today, welcome. If you're already part of my family, thank you again for tuning in today. On today's video, I wanted to share with you guys my recent purchase, which is a black lapel classic oversized coat, which is inspired by obviously men's size. This one is from Yoox, and it is their own brand, which is 8 by Yoox. For those who don't know what Yoox is, it is an online store where you can get all luxury brands. And this one, as I've said, it is their own design, and it retailed for £130 on their website. And this one is in a size 38 in black, as you can see, and it is also a blend of fabrics. I believe, I think, let me just double check, I think it might be wool, elastane and polyester. Let's have a look. Yeah, it is a blend. It's got 55% polyester, 43% wool and 2% of elastane, and also it's got a lining which is made of viscose fabric. And I wanted to obviously get this blazer. It is basically for winter because it's oversized, and I thought it would be perfect to have something that's oversized if I'm wearing thick polo necks or woolies underneath it, unlike this one that I'm wearing now, which is very sort of like well fitted. So I will try it on for you guys just to show you how big it is. And also, since it is a size 38, I know that's a one size up. Normally with the Italian European sizes, I normally take a 36, which is still slightly big on my petite body, but it normally works just in case if I want to pile up or layer up. But this one is a size bigger up, which is a 38, and unfortunately that was the smallest when it came to the 8 sort of like in the style. So because I really wanted the style and I wanted it a little bit sort of like oversized, I had to obviously purchase it. On the calves here, as you can see, it's got these beautiful details, which is like some buttons, and also it's got at the front 6 buttons. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and these not real pockets, so I can't really put anything. They're just there obviously as show. But the length, I could wear this as a dress if I wanted to, because it's all the way almost to my knees. I thought, you know, when I saw it or when I tried it on earlier, I thought, you know what, I could even put a belt on top. It will go with the dresses, jeans, everything. So I think it is a perfect style for me to obviously get this time, especially for winter. I was just thinking dress, and I can even wear stockings and maybe a pair of shoes or booties with it. There'll be so many different ways of styling it. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it for you guys so you can see how it fits. All the information about this blazer, I will put it on the description box below. Obviously the website where I bought it and how much it was, the style, and obviously the size. So if you want to get one for yourself, you can just go ahead and order yourself one. But other than that, I think that's all I wanted to share with you guys on today's video. And if you've liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, please also leave me a comment. Obviously, if you didn't like the type of content that I delivered today, do let me know what would like me to obviously deliver for you guys, or what would like me to put out for you guys. If you're not subscribed yet, please do so, as I would love you to be part of my family. And if you're already part of the family, thank you very much, guys. I do appreciate you. And if you're not following me on Instagram, you can find me on Instagram at Nontoli. And that's it, guys. Let me try it on for you guys, and I'll see you on tomorrow's video. You had me alone.